This is the makerknife. I've done videos on this before. This is I've had it for 4 months. Let's see how well it's lasted. I've changed the direction of the pocket clip from when I first unboxed it, and it's obviously had some new blades. I'm quite happy with the tensions on this now. Links for this will definitely be in the description below. It was a Kickstarter, and the point of this is it's very slim. It's got nice square edges. I use this as a straight edge all the time for scoring things, for marking across. You can adjust the tension for having it locked in and adjust the tension for having it locked out, and that is not going anywhere until you put your finger in the ring and unlock it. Very, very nice knife. I would recommend making a sheath for it. My one has a belt sheath, which will quite nicely sit on your belt, and when you want to use it you can just pull it out and then it's oriented in the correct way for you to get cutting with it. This is just a normal trapezoidal blade, your utility knife blade or Stanley knife blade that you can use in this. Quite easy. Slide across, pull the blade out, and to replace you just pop it in, move the locking mechanism across, and away you go. It fits into your pockets. Like I say, you can adjust the tensions on the side, on the back and on the top. Yeah, use it with or without the pocket clip. It's the makerknife. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you aren't already, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when a new video is being released. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below. So this is for you.
Can I open it?
Yeah, open it. We are on camera.
Oh shoot. Oh, okay, I shouldn't say.
No, we're fine. We're good.
This is amazing.
So this is the handmade one.
I want to try it.
This is your one. Have you got a maker's knife with you?
Yes. Oh,
push. It'll be a little bit snug.
This is amazing.
And it'll fit on your belt, and it'll go sideways, straight up, wearing in, and just because it's still stiff leather and it's all hand done, but give it some usage.
Yeah, look.